German beer with a Cuban cigar. In the middle of Paris with a Dominican bar. Great head on her shoulder, she probably studied abroad. She transferred to Harvard from King's College in March. She says that I'm her favorite cause she admires the art. Michelangelo with the flow, Picasso with the bars. She's well put together like a piece by Gershwin. Renaissance style, tonight is picture perfect. So smile and pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Wow, wow. Love, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. Just say you never had it so good. First class cabin fever, 5-hour layovers from Norway to Egypt. I'm to the point like the pyramids of Giza. Still I'm to the left like the tower out in Pisa. I'm feeling single, baby, I could use a feature. Swagger like Caesar, I'll get you a visa. We can go to Italy and maybe see the Colosseum. I'll be Da Vinci if you be my Mona Lisa and I smile. So pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just...
Hello? I see. Yeah, I see. Listen, I have to have a meeting now. I have to call you later. Goodbye. Hey guys, this is Mr. Nagasaki from Hong Kong. He's a serial killer. He has killed over 7 people and tortured 2. Our job is to kill him. He's hiding in the dark forests in nearby.
Hey boss,
Yes?
who will take this mission?
I'll put 80 on his mission. Peter, Davis, and Jack. We've got 5 minutes to get ready and get this son of a bitch. Go, 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 everybody!
Fresh Kid C, Fresh Kid C,
Yes, sir.
Fresh Kid P, Fresh Kid T.
Oh yeah, we back.
Oh, and Zafoon, by the way.
Yeah, Jones. Yeah.
Chitty Bang, and we pretty much
Can we
amazing.
hear your new song, please?
I got you. Hey yo, I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems. When I get it, I'ma pile it up. Now I'm dope on the bread, we get toast so fresh. How we flow, everybody get this down from us. Was a kid. All right, guys, we're here. Let's go. Okay.
Here's your gun, guys.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the ecstasy into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the ecstasy into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's 29s in the club. Niggas heard I fuck with Dre, now they wanna show me love. When you sell like Eminem and the O's, they wanna fuck. But homie, ain't nothing changed, hold down. down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cut, they nigga roll that weed up. Watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, the niggas should tell you I'm loco. When the plan is to put the rap game in the choke on. Full of focus, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy, and they ready to go. I'm in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the head sippy in to take the drugs. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug.
What the fuck? Where'd he go?
Guys, it's a trap! Run!
Guys, wait.
Boss, what should we do with it?
Put us under there, we'll never find him. Where the hell's Jack? We need to go get him.
No, we can't. There are too many of them. It would be a suicide.
Yeah, you're right. We need to think about ourselves.
Look, Peter, run! Please don't kill me.
Gotcha.
Not today, asshole. Are you alright? Yeah, you saved my life. Son of a bitch.
Where am I?
Shut up.
Peter!
What?
Look, it just came in the mail at CIA office. Put it in.
I have your friend, and if you want to see him again, you have to pay me $1 million. And if you don't, I'll kill him.
What have we done?
We will save him.
Hey boss, you're gonna have to get us $1 million. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
What?
There's a man from the CIA. He's gonna meet us with a grey suitcase. Let's go.
Do you have my money?
Yes, I'm gonna get your money.
Okay, meet me at 21 Jump Street in an hour.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
That's what you think, son of a bitch.
You're dead, motherfucker.
This is something like the Holocaust. Millions of our people lost.
Put your gun down. If you touch me, my man will touch you, your friend.
Where's our apartment?
Show me the money first. He's at the old gas station.
Right!
Are you alright?
Guys, get out of here!
Why?
You only got 1 minute. It's stuck to my arm. Leave me.
No, we're not gonna leave you again!
What are we gonna do?
Get the fuck out!
Where's our money? Our fucking money!
I'm not saying it was your fault, although you could have done more. Oh, you're so naive, yes, so how could this be done with such a smiling sweetheart? Oh, and your sweet and pretty face is such an ugly way for something so beautiful. Oh, that every time I look inside, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. True or false it may be, or she's still out to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. True or false it may be, she's still out to get me. I may say it was your fault, because I know you could have done more. You're so naive, yes, so how could this be done with such a smiling sweetheart? Oh, and your sweet and pretty face is such an ugly word, something so beautiful. But every time I look inside, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. And true or false it may be,